Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Friday, July 5th, 2024. Headlines, basically sunny and dry, conditions continuing. We're going to have a breezy day on Saturday afternoon and still becoming very hot next week. Key points, today is going to be sunny with mainly light winds. Saturday, expected to be much breezier with the cold front moving through. We do have a fire weather watch, parts of the Magic Valley, southern mountains. Still going to become very hot next week. A lot of low elevation highs in the triple digits by Wednesday and Thursday. And we're expecting dry conditions through at least the middle part of next week. Looking at the satellite imagery loop, you can see widespread clear skies everywhere over the western United States this morning. And that's pretty much going to continue through the weekend. Not much expected in the way of cloud cover. The weather risk outlook, I do have some highlights on Saturday with some breezy conditions, at least some minor impacts, possibly some red flag conditions with wind gusts 25 miles per hour, dry conditions, southern hills, Magic Valley. Then the winds should die down Sunday, and not much expected into the early part of next week. Current watches and warnings, we do have a fire weather watch out again for southern South Idaho, again covering much of the eastern Magic Valley, some of the southern mountains, and also west through Twin Falls, Jackpot. So we do have that with breezy conditions, low humidity expected. High temperatures today, generally mid to upper 80s across the Snake River Plain, mid 70s to mid 80s in the mountains. Saturday's forecast highs even a bit warmer. Finally getting above normal once again. Many areas in the Magic Valley into the lower 90s. Most everyone else into the 80s, some 70s, higher elevations. And some of the wind gusts for Saturday where we have the fire weather watch. You can see quite a bit of 25 mile per hour wind gusts and greater. And also relative humidity, minimum humidity for Saturday. You can see some 10 to 15% values again across the southwest areas of the forecast area. And dry everywhere, most everyone well below 25% for minimum humidity. And as we get into the middle part of next week, by Wednesday, again, very hot conditions, upper 90s throughout the Snake River Plain. Some areas getting around 100. Over 100 Twin Falls to Shoshone and further west into the Treasure Valley. So we are going to still see very hot conditions by the middle of next week. And a 6 to 10 day outlook, July 10th through the 14th. You can see almost 100% chance of above normal temperatures continuing through the 14th, and also very good chances greater than 50% of below normal precipitation as well. So again, summarizing, continued sunny skies, mainly light winds today. Could see some winds getting up to 10 miles an hour with the afternoon, up valley winds. Saturday it will be much windier. We have a bit of a cold front moving through. It's going to be breezy. We do have fire weather watches in effect for the winds and humidity. The Magic Valley, southern mountains. Still expecting it to become very hot next week. By midweek, low elevation, high temperatures approaching and even above 100 degrees by Wednesday and Thursday. And very dry, no precipitation expected through the early part of next week. There is the potential as the upper level ridge moves east. We could start to see some monsoonal moisture maybe move in by very end of next week into the weekend, but low confidence at this point in that scenario. That will conclude the briefing. Any questions, call us 24 hours a day at the number listed below. Visit our website and also our sites on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day today.